Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by giving the app the right permissions so floating windows can appear. Go to Settings, Apps, Manage Apps, pick the app and enable Display pop-up windows and display over other apps. Once done, make sure the system and app are updated because MIUI sometimes hides features on older builds. This is the first actionable step. Without these permissions, the phone blocks floating behavior, so grant them now and proceed immediately to open the app you want to float. Now create the floating window. Open the app, press the Recent Apps button or swipe up to enter recents, then tap the app icon at the top of its card and choose Open in Floating Window. The app will pop up as a small resizable window you can drag around. If the icon menu shows split screen first, pick the three-dot menu or long press the app card to reveal the floating option. Practice moving and resizing so you're fluent with the gestures. To finish, use the floating window title bar to minimize to a bubble, maximize back to full screen or close. If the floating option is missing, double-check the app's permissions. Display over other apps and pop-up windows must be on. Once checked, restart the phone to apply changes. If that fails, reinstall the app. One key troubleshooting tip: if MIUI still blocks floating windows, temporarily enable battery optimization exclusions for the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.